Good day and welcome to Sales. Here we've got a beautiful truck here. Material handler, 102 wide, automatic transmission. Take a look here at this awesome unit here. Good rubber on it. Take a look at the back. Got the nice hookups here for the forklift. Got your light bar here. Got the heavy front. Here's an awesome truck ready to go today. Standing tall and ready to go. Nice interior. Got a nice radio, cold AC. Take a look here, no lights on the dash. Working nice. Visit our website at www.99trucks.net. That's the 2 number 9s, 99, and the word trucks, Trucks. Here's an awesome truck. Drives down the road good. Operates good. I want to thank you for watching the video. Give me a call on my cell phone at 260-760-5052. We offer delivery nationwide. We'd love to get this truck over to you so you can start hauling. Shifts through the gears nice, runs good. Nice clean interior in here, automatic transmission. I want to thank you for watching the video. Nice clean truck here.